Topping our news, a new Florida law going into effect today will make it easier for law enforcement to communicate with drivers who are hearing impaired.
A Tallahassee police officer came up with the idea to prevent miscommunication that could lead to conflicts. ABC 7's Erica Jackson joins us live from the Sarasota County Tax Collector's Office to share how this is relieving one less stressor for the deaf community. Erica?
Jacqueline Scott, good evening. Drivers were able to add an emblem to their license last year that shows they are hearing impaired. Now they're able to add that designation to their registration. So law enforcement officers are aware of any potential communication issues. Imagine driving down the road but unable to hear turn signals clicking, horns honking, or sirens blasting. For 19-year-old Hillary Robinson, that's reality.
I always have to stress about my hearing loss.
Robinson was born deaf and is able to hear 80% of sound by using cochlear implants, but she has trouble hearing deep voices, which can make a routine traffic stop even more stressful. She already experienced that nightmare.
We just had a hard time. We just had to write notes. It was just a very awkward encounter.
But a new Florida law now in effect will make communication easier for law enforcement officers and drivers who are hard of hearing. Drivers can designate they are deaf or hearing impaired on their registration, so law enforcement is aware before they get out of their car during a traffic stop.
They can prepare and treat you in a way and understand you're not being defiant or mean. You have a hearing impairment.
They can also request to add an emblem on their driver's license in the event they are driving a different vehicle.
It's just really helpful for the first responders and for the hearing impaired.
After 19 years of communication challenges, Robinson says she plans to go to the DMV right away to add the option to her registration.
It would be really nice for the community to be able to stress about one less thing.
Now, the state provides monthly training to law enforcement officers on new laws and procedures. They'll be learning about this new measure any day now, so they'll be prepared to respond properly. Reporting live in Sarasota County, Erica Jackson, ABC 7, your Suncoast News.